All right, the other thing that's really cool about graph paper is it really helps us understand our shadows very easily. So you can imagine that the sunlight is going to come from some direction. Let's say it's coming this way. Wherever it hits is going to be the lightest, and then the farthest away point is going to be the darkest. So we're going to make this the farthest away point and make this super dark. All right? The next one is going to be less dark. All right, you can see that already that looks 3D. Now what happens for the shadow is just like we did the 3D, we can choose an angle. The easiest one is just to go out this way, like so, and then follow this same line and shade that in, okay? So let's say we do it with this one, and on this one, it's gonna be going a little bit more from the front. So this is still gonna be the darkest side, okay? This is still gonna be a little bit darker than white. And let's say it goes across this way now. So it goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks, okay? So from here, we also have to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks, okay? And up 1, so right to here, all right? And then we can connect that. Now we also, and this is the harder part, I'm going to have to go over from here. And that block is going to stretch out. So we go up to that block and then over, and now we have the shadow for that. So the graph paper can not only help us figure out how to make a 3D, but where the shadows go. The easiest is always going to be going straight out to the side. So we go out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks, and then we go across 3. 1, 2, 3, right to the corner. Oh, and you guys can't even see it, I'm sorry. And we shade that in. And you can see how immediately that 3D object becomes very realistic because of the shadowing. Okay, now for the circles, the shading on our cylinders is a little bit more difficult. But the way to draw the shape of the shadow itself is not terribly hard. So we're on this one. So we're gonna go over 3, hit the point 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to do a circle there, shade it in, and now you can see how that's a shadow of that object. Now again, what we did was from where it touches that point, we go across 3 blocks, 1, 2, 3. Where it touches at this point, you see that's the circle points right there, it goes 1, 2, 3, and then we make the circle inside, so it's the same shape as here over here. And then we have the shadow. All right, so now we'll go to some more complicated ones next time.